Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 21st, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. So the Euro dollar is definitely drifting down, but it's drifting down very overlapping, very slowly, which tells me that it probably is a pullback to the last wave up, meaning that it's probably going to go down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels and eventually break structure to the upside and probably make another wave up for either like an A, B, C, or possibly a 1, 2, 3. So keeping that in mind, we can take it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, and we would definitely still be looking for sorts. Yesterday, I said if you make three waves up, one, two, three waves up to a Fibonacci level, and then an engulfing down, that would probably be a pretty good sort, and that's exactly what happened. So right now, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short here. I would definitely be waiting for a decent little pullback. So if you see another, one, two, three-way pullback, another nice Fibonacci bounce, another nice engulfing move to the downside, then I would definitely primarily still be looking for sorts. I'm not saying that it might not drift up. It definitely could drift up. I'm just saying that the better money, the more reliable trades, I think, are definitely right now looking for sorts at the end of three-way pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.